What's up guys, Habib is here once again and you are welcome back to my channel. In this particular video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can create multiple accounts anonymously on the internet. That is how you can create different type of account on a particular website without detection. Yeah, creating multiple accounts online might actually sound easy, like maybe when you think about it, is it not just for me to just go on the internet and log into my browser and create several accounts on a particular website? But it doesn't really work that way. And why? And that's because there are some websites that have so many lot of trackers and restrictions. That is, there are some websites that you can only create maybe just one single account on a particular device, and if you try to create any other accounts on that same device, they are going to lock you out. But there is a solution to that, and that solution is actually this particular thing we are going to be talking about. So there are browsers that they actually help you create multiple accounts in tens, 20s, hundreds of such on this particular platform. So when you create that account, your PC is going to act like maybe you have like 30 different PC or 100 different PC on one particular device, and that's why we are here today. So guys, the platform we are going to be talking about today is GoLogin, and I'm going to log into my browser now to show you guys. So guys, this is GoLogin, and GoLogin is the most secure web browser, like they say, like we are seeing here, and make money in affiliate and crowd marketing, safely manage your social media account and the likes. And this particular website actually has an app on your PC that you can just download. And one thing they give you guys when you start is they give you this 7-day free trial for. So they give you guys 7 days free trials to use before you start subscribing to them. Don't worry, their subscription is actually fair. It's not that expensive and it's something affordable. But what do you think? What's that thing that you can really say is actually so important and so beneficial about this particular website? GoLogin is more than just a browser. It's a game changer for anyone who needs to work with multiple accounts. You know, maybe you want to create multiple accounts on the same device, or maybe you want to bypass region restrictions, or probably maybe you want to access different countries on the same particular device. Maybe you want to have one particular device where you have UK PC, when you have your system in UK, US and other countries. And also one thing GoLogin also give you is this, that they give you access to residential process that can help you to stay anonymous on the internet. So guys, so what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to show you guys how you can set up this particular device and how you can manage your multiple accounts online. So now guys, what should we do? The first thing you have to do is to download this particular browser. Yeah, you can come here, download GoLogin for Windows. So when you come here, the application is going to install on your device, on your PC, and once the application is installed on your PC, you need to sign up. So what I'm going to do right now is, before we actually download this app, let me show you guys the features and resources you have here. Okay, let's go to the pricing first. I told you GoLogin is not that expensive, it's affordable. Can you see here you can try it for 7 days, try for free, and instead of you paying for this first week, it's actually free. And after that you can now subscribe. That's like $24 per month, but it has so many benefits because it gives you 100 unique profiles. You have 2 gig of location data, that is for residential process. So that's the benefit you have. And the more you actually subscribe, let's say you want to make let's say you want to go for annual subscription, you also have discounts for annual subscriptions and all. So guys, I'm going to just move on to the app now to show you guys how this particular place work. Okay, I already have it installed. If you are just hearing this for the very first time, you need to sign up. I already have an account. This is my account, and I already have okay, I have a subscription that ends on the 5th of November. So you can see I have 100 profiles here. That means I can actually create 100 different profiles on this particular PC. So this thing is going to look as if maybe I'm actually using 100 different devices on just my one. So guys, what we are going to do is, let's say for instance I want to create 5 different profiles, or maybe I want to create 5 different accounts on a particular website. Let's say I'm running a survey website. Let me just try and use this particular survey website example. Let's say I'm creating an account on Acash. Acash is a survey website. So you know, with survey websites and other things, you need to create different accounts. You can't have the same account on a particular device. So what I'm going to do now is I'll just open my GoLogin. So then I'll come here and create a profile. Let's say this is my first profile. Let me name it Acash1. So okay, I have no folder here. Now this is the sweet part. You can actually customize each browser to your taste. And one thing you can do here is, if you come to the overview here, I can set my Windows to, let's say I want to use Mac or Linux or Android or Windows 10, Windows 11. I can decide to choose, okay, this particular first account, I want it to be on Windows 10 or 11. And here, the good part is the proxy section. Yeah, let's say for instance, you need to change your location using your IP. Of course, you can use the free proxy with GoLogin. You know, we have so many countries here: Bolivia, US, Germany, United Kingdom. You can have it here. And also, you can also use your own proxy. So let's say I want to use my own proxy. All I have to do is just to come here and put in the IP of my proxy. I put in the port here, the login here, and the password. Then I can customize my proxy. Another thing is the time zone. Yeah, you can also customize your browser based on the time zone of that particular IP. Let's say my proxy is in US. All I have to do is just to click here. I can just tick this box. So then it's going to customize my time to also the time in that particular country. Then the extension here, you can also add different extension. So we have MetaMask. If you are into crypto, we have Google Translate and other things depending on your wants and taste. So, and one other thing is here, if you don't want to use any proxy, all you have to do is just to click without proxy, and it's going to create your profile for you. In this particular one, just go for create profile without proxy. So now I already created the first account, which is a cash one without proxy. If I want to create another one, all I have to do is just to come here and create another profile. I can just say a cash 2, a cash 2. So then here, all I have to do is, let's say for this particular one, I want to use GoLogin proxy. So I can just say customize it to UK. So then I'm checking the proxy. Okay, this is the proxy. So I can just create the profile here. So remember guys, the first account I created, which is a cash 1, that was without proxy. The second one is a cash 2, which is with proxy. So now I want to try the third one. Let me create another profile. So at this particular one, let's say I want to use Windows 10. Let's say time zone. I've already done that. Let me check the other things we have here. Okay, you can also come to the advanced section here, where you can also say, okay, maybe your CPU you want it at 10, your RAM you want it at 6, or you want, all that things. Just play around this. But now let me go back to my proxy. The first account I created without proxy. The second account I use GoLogin proxy. The third account is my own proxy. Let's say my own proxy, I want to use my proxy. All I have to do is just to come and put in my IP address here. So I have a proxy here on GeoNix. Let me try and log in. So guys, this is my GeoNix profile and I have a proxy here. Let me just click on US Texas Dallas proxy. Okay, this is my proxy. So this is my IP and port. So all I just come here and come to my GoLogin. So this is my IP address. My port is 10,000. So I'm gonna come here and click here. Okay, so now that's done. Then my username. So my username is this. Okay. Then my password is my password is this. Okay, I already put in my details. Then I'll just say check proxy. Okay, can we see my US proxy, United States Dallas? So I already created my profile. Okay guys, so my profile is not created. I'm coming. Let me try and see what's going on. Yeah, so guys, now I have first account. First profile is a cash 1, a cash 2, a cash 3. So let me just try and open them. So this is the first account. So the second one, I'm opening the second one, and then the third one. So this is a cash 1. So now for me to check, this is the first one I created. Let me just go to war.net to check my IP. war.net. Okay, so now this is the first profile. Then this is a cash 2, the same thing. Let's say allow cash 2. And then this is the third one. This is a cache 3. Let me check my. So guys, if you remember, the first one, which is a cache 1, was created with no proxy, and that's why it's showing my IP here to be 102.89. That's Nigeria. That's my current location, and you can see here, and the disguise is 100% anonymity measures. So can you see now? So now let's say the second one, which I created using, this is a cache 2. I think I actually use GoLogin IP here, and you can see London IP, the one I created. Let me show you guys. Okay, let me show you guys. No, this is the first one. This is the first one with no proxy. The second one is the GoLogin, which is United Kingdom. That's why I show you United Kingdom here. Can you see this GoLogin 100%? So now the third one that I created using my own proxy, that is my proxy, the one I came here to pick on Unix. This is my US Texas Dallas proxy. So this is the same account I'm having here. So that's why it's showing me, yeah, can you see 98.9723. That's the last message. So what this one is trying to tell you is, guys, like you can actually use GoLogin proxy, and you can also use your personal proxy, and it's still the same thing, and you are going to really get what you want and your anonymity to create multiple accounts. So guys, if you are tired of creating or managing multiple accounts or dealing with location restrictions, then GoLogin is actually a solution here. Probably maybe you are working on a freelancing website, maybe all these you are into Fiverr, or maybe you are working as an affiliate marketer, or even maybe you are into gaming and other things, then GoLogin actually allows you to stay safe, anonymous, secure, and efficient. So guys, if you actually want to register for this, I'm going to put in a link in the video description, and if you follow that link, you are going to get some kind of promo code which is like 20% off. And also you also have the opportunity to like try and sign up, and get this 7 days free trial for you to test out GoLogin actually works. And I'm very sure you're going to be excited and super satisfied. So now can you see here, you can always come here to probably clone a profile. Maybe I want to open another a cache profile with the same details as this third one. I can just come here and click clone. I can transfer, and I can also invite another person. Let's say I want to invite a person to my device. All I have to do is to come here and put in invite, and I put the person email address. So once I put his email address here, the person will get an email. I'll be able to manage my my accounts from his own PC. So guys, that's on how you can set up your GoLogin profile. And if you want to create multiple accounts anonymously, just use GoLogin to bypass the restriction, stay secure, and work smarter. Try it for free, and you can also get the 2 gig of residential proxy. Just follow the gig in my video description, and make sure you use my promo code Abelian2025 for you to get a very good offer. So guys, thank you and bye for now.